Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Phoebe's Kitchen, and I believe you are all doing great. Today I want to share with you how I make my extremely delicious diamond nimki chips, which I'm so sure you will love. So please stay tuned to the end, and don't forget to also like, share, comment on the video. Also recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. In a bowl, I'm adding all-purpose flour. Next is salt, Nigella seeds. I've got milk powder. I've also got brown sugar. I've got nutmeg, onion powder, and baking powder. Now stir to mix everything together. I'm adding one more teaspoonful of Nigella seeds or black seeds. And again, I will stir to mix everything together. Now I'm creating a well in the middle and I'm adding my butter. Now mix everything together just like so. And lovelies, after that, I'll just add my liquid ingredients. So I'm creating a well in the middle and I'll add my whole milk, fresh whole milk, and I'll keep on mixing. I'm going to add more of the milk just like so to get the texture I'm looking for. Lovelies, please go nowhere and don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Now a dough is formed, so the next step is to cover the dough up with either a wet napkin or just use your cling foam, just like so, and add your napkin. Now allow it to rest for about 10 minutes in the fridge. Okay, so we are back after 10 minutes, and here I'm adding flour on top of my cutting board. Next, I'm placing my dough on the cutting board, and I'll divide it into two, and it's fine because the dough is not big. Okay, after that, put the half on the side. Now start rolling on the dough, okay, to get a very thin crust. And it should be smooth as well. Yeah, lovelies. Keep putting and beans. Next, I'm turning the crust over to roll on the other side as well, okay, to get a very beautiful and nice crust. This diamond nimki chips turned out so delicious, and I'm so hopeful that lovelies, you are not just watching the video but rather in this season you give it a try for the whole family to enjoy the recipe. All done now. So I'm going to just cut the edges just like so. It's not really needed, but it's just optional. You can just leave it and just cut them out, okay? But I just want it just to be perfect somehow before I cut them out, okay? So now let's cut them out into thin crust, just like so, okay? You can go for bigger sizes. It's all by choice and preference. You can just cut it out into any shape and size of your choice, okay? So lovely, you can go for diamond shape, square shapes, just any shape of your choice. The shape I'm making now is the square shape, but since I'm not making square shapes, but rather diamond shape, I'll just go to the extreme end and I'll cut them out towards this end. I hope it's clear. Yeah, this is beautiful, lovelies. So just stay tuned and be inspired. Okay, don't forget to try this out and thank me later. Lovelies, we are all done cutting our crust out and just check the shape. Beautiful diamond shape, yeah. Just lift them up from the cutting board, just like so, yeah. And since it's nimki chips, they are normally thin and small, okay? So you are done with the first dough. Repeat yourself with the rest of the dough until you are all done. Okay, so lovelies, that is it. I'm done with the next dough as well. So now let's make our oil ready. Okay, I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Now the oil is heated, so I'm adding one crust. And once it floats up and bubbles forms around it, it means I can add the rest of the chips crust. Okay, so here we go. And look how they are dispersing. Once you add the chip crust, lovely, they should all float up just like this. Okay, this way you are on the right move or you are in the right direction. Okay, it should be light, just like you are seeing here. Because lovelies, I do not want the chips to be overcrowded in the wok. I'm frying them in batches, okay? So very soon the first batch will be done and I'll just take them out and I'll go ahead to fry the next batch. Okay? Lovelies, if it's your first time stumbling on this channel, hey, please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. We are all done and I love the color, so they are out, but the oil is not dirty, so I'll just go ahead and add the next batch. But lovelies, if the oil is dirty, please clean it up before adding the next batch. Okay, this way your chips will always look beautiful. And also at this point, make sure the heat is not too high. Right now, I'm frying on the medium heat. Okay, wow, I love the aroma. This is a must try recipe. Right now, I've achieved the color I'm looking for, so I'm bringing them out of the oil and I love the aroma. Lovelies, please don't just watch the video, okay? Let the whole family enjoy this extremely delicious diamond nimki chips this season and they will thank you so much. So we are all done and I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks so much and see you next time. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Take care. Mwah. Bye, y'all.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.